Yeah, Florida. Let's take up.
Wow, floors are awesome. Now shut up.
I'm taking apart the first part of this majigger.
You're taking apart.
This majigger
Idiot.
power play. Now let's take apart the rest. Stop wires out of the way. Okay. So now I just gotta take off all these screws.
Jacob.
What?
Shut up.
Oh, fine.
Thank you.
And another screw.
There it is. Wrong.
Okay.
This?
What else?
Is it? No. That's definitely not it.
No more screws on
Oh,
this.
pardon me. Ha. Huh. Seriously?
What?
I'm gonna punch someone.
Hardest one. Hardest one. Yes, I do it this way.
Just a little question for those of you that watch this, if it gets online.
Yeah.
Don't you hate when your favorite website gets blocked for temporary maintenance?
Never happened to me.
Yeah, have you seen my Bros X forums?
Oh, yeah.
We need those, and they're down. And that makes me want to kick someone in the
So here's the
face.
controller. Oh, what the? It labeled them when they're in the machine. If I can get an
The
autofocus.
video can't go over 10 minutes. How long is it?
So for 2.
Okay.
And
Feels like you've been recording for about 12.
well, you can't see them, but put on the thing. It has the buttons labeled from the actual thing.
Can I turn on music?
No. So look at Y. This button's Y. See, the Y button would go right here.
Can I turn it on now?
No. It would have a little pad thing that I just dropped on the back of it. Oh. And soldering. Not a very good camera focus. It just looks like a silvery blob. Well, there's a lot of soldering involved in this. And it's an epoxy thing, I think.
Oh, pardon me.
And for some reason, the circuit boards on this are blue. Kind of odd. Huh. Mini board.
Mini balls.
The mini boards are the A and B triggers. And you know what? Just for the sake of it, I'm gonna take out the joypad.
Yeah, do it. Break it some more. Do it up. Ow.
Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so there's a screw in here, which leads to a ball that has a hole in the top, which leads to the hole in here, which is like this.
Age EDAD 4+, 1 to 4 players.
What?
Balls.
I need some scissors. Scissors.
I have some.
I have some too.
No, wait, no, I don't.
Okay.
But you do.
Indeed I do.
Shut up.
Oh, fine.
Brotherly love. If that's what you want to call it. Who smells like charity? That kid. Who smells like awesome? This kid. That's me.
Okay, let's cut off the wires. Cut off the wires. Wow. You know, whatever. Take out the wires. Taking out the wires. Oh, what?
Hey Jacob, guess what?
What? Okay.
I totally just farted on you.
Okay, so these little plastic things. I don't know. Okay, these little plastic things holding these metal things. Kind of odd.
Ow!
Okay.
Shut up!
So right here we have 2 circuit boards. So look at. Oh.
Jacob, do you still love me even though I have threats?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, look it. Okay, it's like you're playing it right now. Start select. And up here should be the LNR triggers, and this I have no idea what it is. Messing around with the inside of that thing. That thing. And get a rectangle. Ooh. And here are the LNR buttons. Well, they're just A and B buttons.
Hey, you know what?
What?
Put it back together.
No!
Why?
I already cut up all the wires.
Do it.
No.
Do as I. You know what?
Well, if you can't
Just
see,
for that.
you can't.
Give me that.
Oh. Oh my god. This is not gonna end well. No, don't cut up. No, don't do that.
No, this,
No.
that.
Fine.
Okay.
I don't care. Well, yeah, these are the LNR buttons, but really they're B and A buttons all over. No, I don't know.
Gimme. Oh, stupid hammer.
I don't know where any hammers are. Little triggers. Triggers. Uno second.
Don't hit the board.
Okay.
Hi, caramba. Take that.
Use this.
Got it.
Groovy! It's all
How much time do you have?
7.
Like 7 minutes?
I'm just reaching up to 8.
Fat.
Okay. So. Okay. Now let's review all the buttons. Here's what triggered this. See, it went on like this. Yeah, like this.
Excuse me.
God.
I just want to show my sexiness to everyone.
No. I love these little black pad things.
You know what I love?
What?
Feces. You know what else I love?
What?
Listening to music, which is something you won't let me do.
I'll let you do it right when the video is over.
No, you won't. You're a big fat jerk. Even though I'm technically the fat one and I'm the jerk.
Okay. If you didn't see, I just ripped this off of
Wow,
this.
congratulations, Mr. Tough Guy.
Shut up. And on so many circuit boards, there's this thing. Since I'm not a very good electrical person, I have no idea what these are. Woohoo!
And test holes.
Holy crap, I can't get it off. Awesome.
Oh.
Okay.
But give it to
I think that's the end of this video. Bye-bye.